Welcome back to Eye in the Sky Drones, where we do drone tech and drone news. Today we're coming back. We're spinning around again and looking at the DJI Neo. We looked at it one time before and we looked at it with flying with a controller. But this little drone, you don't have to have a controller. So let's look at it flying without the controller. Today we're coming back at you with the DJI Neo, and we did some videos on the Neo, but we never got to really look at the function. So I'm going to power it on. It takes 2 presses. As you can see, the lights come on, and we're going to look at some of the automated functions that this thing could do without a controller. So if you look right here, it has the functions of what it can do. And
Dronie, circle, rocket, spotlight, direction track.
And I'm going to
Follow.
specifically
rocket, spotlight, direction track.
work on follow. So let's see if this thing works here.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
So it's going to follow me. Let's see if it works. So this is the Neo in follow me mode, and I don't have a controller. As you can see, it's keeping up with me. It's following me from behind. The video is not that bad. So really, this could be your go-to on the go. So as you can see, the Neo is actually following me wherever I go, and whatever maneuvers I make, it's following me. When you're finished of it following you, you just place your hand underneath and that lands the drone. A couple other options that it does. If you look at the top,
Dronie.
we're going to try Dronie.
6 meters. Dronie. 3, 2, 1.
Come back. This is the Dronie. It records it in 2 separate videos, one going out and one coming back in. This one, you want to be in an open space. Circle. I'm going to come out to a little bit more open area.
2 meters. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we have the DJI Neo Circle. So this is the Neo doing a circle. As you can see, it's hands-free and the drone calculates your position and it makes a perfect circle around you. It was kind of a windy day, but you can see the footage is still crisp and clear and the Neo is flying smoothly. Again, the Neo makes use easy without a controller. What else do we have here? We have Rocket.
6 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, we have the DJI Neo. This is the rocket mode. And when you do the rocket mode, just like the other mode, it takes two separate clips. So the clip when the drone is ascending is one clip, and then when it's coming back down is two clips. And you can piece them together in your video or when you're editing. But this is the DJI Neo with rocket. And then what do we have here next?
Spotlight.
Spotlight. That's where it stays
Spotlight.
stationary and it just focuses on you. So as you can see, the drone stays stationary, but it focuses on wherever I may go. So in Spotlight, it stays stationary, but the camera focuses on me. All right, so that's it with Eye in the Sky drones and the DJI Neo, controlling this little guy with some of the quick functions without the controller. I'm signing out. If you like what you see, like and subscribe. As always, be safe and have fun flying.